Hello IG Garage family, is your car showing the P0421 trouble code? Are you noticing poor engine performance or increased emissions? If your scanner pulled up P0421, warm up catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go over what the P0421 code means, where the sensors and catalytic converter are located, very important stuff, how to diagnose and fix it, and at the end I'll suggest two must-watch videos, P0053, which deals with the heated oxygen sensor resistance issue, and P0090, which covers the fuel pressure regulator control circuit. These will help you understand more engine issues. Let's get started. The P0421 trouble code means that the catalytic converter on bank 1 isn't working efficiently during the warm-up phase. Your car's oxygen sensors are detecting that the catalytic converter isn't properly reducing emissions, which may cause increased pollution and poor performance. Symptoms of P0421 include the check engine light being on poor acceleration or sluggish performance, increased fuel consumption and unusual smell from the exhaust like sulfur or rotten eggs, and a failed emissions test. Common causes of P0421 can be a faulty or clogged catalytic converter. Over time, the catalyst inside the converter wears out. Another cause could be failing oxygen sensors. If the upstream or downstream sensor isn't working, the ECM may get incorrect readings. Engine misfires or a rich fuel mixture can also be culprits. Unburned fuel can damage the catalytic converter. Exhaust leaks are another issue. Any leaks in the exhaust system can affect sensor readings. Finally, a bad engine coolant temperature sensor can cause problems. The ECM may not correctly adjust the air-fuel ratio during warm-up. Alright, let's talk about where you need to check for P0421 issues. First up, we have the catalytic converter on bank 1. It's located in the exhaust system near the engine manifold on the side with cylinder 1. It looks like a metal canister and connects to the exhaust pipe. Next we have the upstream oxygen sensor, also known as O2 sensor 1. This sensor is located before the catalytic converter, mounted right on the exhaust manifold. Its job is to measure the air-fuel ratio and send that data to the ECM. The downstream oxygen sensor, also known as O2 sensor 2, is located after the catalytic converter in the exhaust pipe. It monitors the converter's efficiency and should have stable voltage readings. The engine coolant temperature sensor, or ECT sensor, is usually found near the thermostat housing. If it's faulty, it can send incorrect temperature readings, which can affect the engine warm-up process. First, check for exhaust leaks. Inspect the entire exhaust system, including the manifold, catalytic converter, and pipes. Listen for any hissing or ticking noises, as these can indicate leaks. First, check for exhaust leaks. Inspect the entire exhaust system, including the manifold, catalytic converter, and pipes. Listen for hissing or ticking noises, which indicate leaks. Next, test the oxygen sensors. Use a multimeter or obd2 scanner to check if the upstream and downstream sensors are reading correctly. A bad sensor may cause incorrect data, leading to a P0421 code. Finally, inspect the catalytic converter. If the converter is clogged or rattling, it may need replacement. A failing converter may overheat, causing a burning smell or glowing red metal. Alright, now let's check for engine misfires or fuel system issues. First, you'll want to scan for misfire codes, which can range from P0300 to P0312. If your car is running too rich, well, the extra fuel can actually damage the catalytic converter, so it's really important to get this checked out. 5. Test the engine coolant temperature sensor, ECT. If your car struggles to reach normal operating temperature, test the ECT sensor. So that's everything you need to know about P0421. Warm-up catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. If your car is struggling with emissions or fuel efficiency, start by checking the catalytic converter, O2 sensors, and exhaust system. Before you go, don't forget to check out these related videos. 1. P0053, heated oxygen sensor resistance issue. 2. P0090, fuel pressure regulator control circuit. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you never miss a fix from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.